We have a saying that we're not just building cars, we're building people.
We're here on our Georgetown, Scott County campus, and we are very proud of this. It is a facility that you all were a major part of, as well as many of our other industry partners in helping us in the design of it. This location has been a game changer for us in serving the counties that we work with in this region.
Well, you know we love this location because we're just across the street, basically. We're so close to the interstate. It's a huge cost improvement from a logistics point of view. Our suppliers are also a part of our family. We support their workforce, we support their problem-solving skills and TPS knowledge.
Toyota is not just Toyota. There's all these other organizations that are part of getting all this work done. I feel very fortunate to be at a community college where the workforce training is a big part of what we do.
What they learn in this building gets us that much more further into a lot of the skilled work that we do. So I feel like it's a really good stepping stone for them to learn and to feel comfortable about the culture, but then being able to problem solve and feel good about what they're doing.
How you've helped us up our game in our programs and what the expectations are. Our students are stronger because of it.
We know that we could take those students and even improve their knowledge and their skill to make it not just a job, but an actual career for them. Workforce is the heart of TMMK, and we are so thankful that BCTC is here to support us.
It's making Kentucky stronger.